If you're getting a Base44 error 404, don't worry, this usually means something simple is broken in the request, the backend code, or the latest action you just made. In this video, I'll show you the fastest way to fix it step by step. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes. Let's jump right in. First, check the URL and make sure it is correct. A missing character, an extra slash, or the wrong endpoint can trigger a 404 error immediately. Carefully compare the URL you're using with the correct Base44 address and make sure everything matches exactly. Next, verify the backend codes are correct. If the API route, function, or server logic is wrong, Base44 may not be able to find what it needs, which can cause the error to appear again and again. Open your backend code and review the route names, request paths, and any recent changes you made. Look for typos, mismatched names, or anything that does not line up with what Base44 expects. If the URL is correct and the backend code still looks fine, the next step is to revert the action by clicking the revert button under the last prompt. This is especially useful if the error started after your most recent change. Reverting can undo the problematic action and restore the previous working version, which is often the quickest way to get rid of the 404 issue. Once you've done that, test it again and see if the problem is resolved. In most cases, one of these 3 steps will fix the Base44 error 404 without needing anything complicated. If this video helped, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.